We also have the capabilities just so that you can see how that works. I'm going to go ahead and select the same customer we've been working with, but let's assume that they want to go ahead and ship this order, but they want to ship it to a new location. When I click on ship the order and select where I want it shipped from, I can go ahead and up here either do an address override, or I can add a new address for this shipment. So let's say it's a one-time address override to write to the F4006 tables. We can go through and put in information about where we're going to ship it. Address information, zip code, and a contact phone number. This will write to the F4006 tables, which are the address override tables for J.D. Edwards associated specifically with that order. It calculates the shipping cost, again, based on where I'm shipping it to, and then it allows me to tender this. In this example, again, this customer requires a PO, so let me put in a PO. I'm going to do a split payment. So they're going to give me some cash. They'll give me, maybe $300 in cash. And the remainder, I'm going to go ahead and pay with a credit card. Now, for this case, they don't have their credit card handy, but I can go ahead and type in their card number if they know it. So I not only do I have swipe capabilities, but I also have key in capabilities. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and charge. It's going to ask for the card security code, unlike before where it asked for the last 4 digits of the card to verify. Here it's asking for your card security code, so I've gone ahead and entered that. And then once it gets processed, if everything is valid, I can go ahead and print the receipts just like we did before. For right now, I'm not going to do that piece of it. And we're going to go ahead and place the order. And again, I can email this order to the person and print out their receipt. So let's go back and look at this receipt a second, and then we'll go into J.D. Edwards and look at this order. Here's the receipt. These are the 3 different pallets that they purchased, the totaling that they purchased, whatever savings, and then down below you can see how it was paid for, and it's order number 6459. So if I jump over to J.D. Edwards, within the J.D. Edwards solution, there is the order we just processed through, all of the pricing information. I can go into the order prepayment tables to see how it was paid for, again used for reconciliation purposes of that cash drawer at the end. But they paid for it partial cash, partial credit card. But this order, again, is ready to be picked, packed, and shipped. It's now at status 540, which means pick slips. I can go through and then walk this order all the way through, running pick slips. This would be obviously warehouse activities that as soon as that order is processed, you can have that pick slip printing in the back, and they can start their process of getting that order together, staged, and ready to be processed.